This station is departure station. Exit here for ticketing. If you are heading to Colorado Center, please remain on the tram.
I finally made it to Maui after missing my flight last night. It was a stressful night, but today's a new day filled with adventures. We will be doing a popular road trip to Hana and make some stops along the way for sightseeing, hiking, waterfall, food, and more. Oh boy, these Maui mountains are nuts. To be honest, I don't even think the cameras are doing these mountains any justice at all, because these things are like this.
In 600 feet, turn left on West Vineyard Street.
You know what? Now that I actually got here, I feel a lot more better about last night, right? And I just wanted to say, like, as much as last night was so stressful, or yesterday pretty much, I think all of that adds up to the experience, right, of traveling, because you get to see the good and the bad side of it, and you just have to embrace both, just appreciate both, and move on. This is Felipe and Mango. I will explain later on how I met these two guys, but right now it's adventure time. Wow, this is unreal. Still can't stop taking photos of this place, man. It's like everywhere you go, nice views, man. Everywhere you go, it's a better view. Boy, wow.
Whoa.
Wow, look at this. Break the roads. Apparently we're not supposed to come this side, but hey, other people been here before, so why not? Why not?
You guys like to smoke?
Huh?
You guys smoke?
Smoke?
Yeah.
Getting all the way up there. Pretty close to the clouds. See it? The clouds right there. Wow. Watch out. It's really steep over here.
Okay, thank you.
Freaking hole over there. We gotta start watching our steps now, because this is, wow. The captain got plans for us.
Yeah? Captain?
I said the captain, yeah, you.
Oh, me?
You
I'm
have
the
all the
captain.
plans, yeah.
Okay, let's go. Keep going. Man. What's the plan after this?
You said you wanted to go to the waterfall, right?
Waterfall.
Then we go back, yeah?
Waterfall.
After this,
Yeah.
we go to road.
Bro to Hana? So I met Felipe and Mango at my lodging place as soon as I arrived. Felipe is from Brazil. He's in Maui celebrating his birthday. Mango works for the flight, so he's really the world traveler here. I left my swimming trunk, but still gonna get my feet wet. Because why not? Felipe was in the lobby looking for adventure buddies. I immediately took their offer because I'm traveling solo, and I was going to do all this stuff by myself anyways. And Mango joined as well. All three of us are traveling solo from different parts of the world. Came to Maui to form the adventure dream team. It's still freaking 9:36 a.m. Can you believe that? Wow. Woke up pretty early. Oh boy. I just fell off the tree. Yeah. Look at this freaking guava everywhere. Found a nice one. You found one? You shaked it? Oh wow. I think the other tree over there. Not the other tree. Shake that one. Shake the other tree. Can you get there?
Yeah.
It's good, huh?
Try that.
Oh shit, hijab couple. So good.
Wow.
Yes. Yep. Yep. We got a lot. We got a lot. This thing's so good, huh?
Looks like wind. It's blown as well.
Got a couple.
Oh.
Look at that.
Are they good?
Mm-hmm.
They have one? Thank you so much.
Making our first stop on our road to Hana to grab a bite. Looks like there's a nice local shop. We like the local stuff, natural. Bob rocks.
How much is
Yeah, I'll get you a line.
We gotta find snow, man.
Yeah, slow down. You too, slow down.
We gotta
You
find Our next stop is a waterfall. Here is the name of it because I cannot pronounce it. But again, very nice hidden gem. Clean water, of course, and not that many people here at all. We only stayed for about 30 minutes since we got more things to discover. I would definitely stay here more if it was up to me. But yeah, we have other plans, so back on the road.
Well,
Pineapple, something with pineapple.
I have my smoothie, which is, I mean, it's pineapple, mango, banana.
Somebody, what time is the drum set? Or maybe that didn't.
Only 15 minutes away from Hana. Almost there. Almost there. These are the coffee addicts over here.
We got here.
Two coffee addicts.
almond milk, organic, and honey,
Did
organic
you try the
honey too.
agave? Agave is nice too.
This one?
The next one,
This one? No. What is that actually?
organic agave. This is Hana Beach Park. Again, look at the mountain. Insane. That is nuts. Wild. It looks like a cave. Look at this. That's what it looked like. I think you can climb by the roots. Yeah. Go down there. You climb that big roots over there. I'll show you.
Yeah, go in front.
Yeah. Yeah. There we go. And there goes Mango over there.
Yep, this is Hana. As you may see, it's a great road trip. Lots of things to explore on the way. We only made a fraction of the stops because we really did not plan on things we want to do on the way. We were just going with the flow pretty much. I personally think road trips are the best way to see the most of a place. So if you're in Maui, I would recommend doing road to Hana. But be very careful because the roads here are very narrow, filled with wild curves. The locals who are familiar with the roads may drive very rough and continue to honk at you, but take your time and just stay on your lane and you should be fine. If anything, they'll just drive around you and get to the front of you.
I think this is the last stop for the day. We got like 2 hours, 30 minutes to get back to our starting point. So we need more food. Hungry. I can see stars a little bit, but yeah, we call it scary adventure. These mountains, they're beautiful during the day, but at night they look dangerous, man. Massive, and it's coming close to me. Relax.
Yeah, he likes the light.
No,
It's following the